We offer a wide range of fingerprint canvas micarta handle options for knife enthusiasts. Color combinations, classic black and white for a timeless, monochromatic look. Earth tones like olive green and desert tan for outdoor enthusiasts. Bold contrasts such as navy blue and orange for an eye-catching appearance. Vibrant hues like electric blue and fiery red to complement any blade design. Customization options, personalized color combinations to match individual preferences. Varying thicknesses to accommodate different knife designs and user needs. Custom patterns and textures for unique aesthetics. Key features: durable and water-resistant material perfect for knife handles. Excellent grip, even in wet conditions. Unique swirls and patterns reminiscent of human fingerprints. Ages well, developing a distinctive patina over time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.